Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Sign in, confirm 2FA, and have your recovery email ready. This prevents lockouts. Next, capture the exact error, screenshot the message, and note the time, device, and app version so you can reproduce it. Once done, create a quick backup of settings and export any configuration files to a safe location. That way, if a step misbehaves, you can restore. Make sure to note the software build number. It guides targeted fixes. You now run diagnostics. Open built-in tools, tail logs, and watch CPU, RAM, and disk I/O to spot anomalies. This shows cause versus symptom. Then apply focused remedies, clear caches, reset permissions, reinstall the specific module, because broad changes waste time. After each action, reproduce the issue and observe results. That iterative testing isolates the effective change. Keep a concise change log so you can roll back one step at a time, and communicate progress if others are involved. You finish by validating the fix. Run complete workflow tests on all affected devices and compare performance to your baseline to ensure no regressions. Once satisfied, document the exact steps you took and any patches applied, update credentials if they were exposed, and lock down the environment with the latest version. If a new error appears, switch to safe mode and restore the backup you made earlier. That quick rollback avoids downtime while you diagnose further.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.